pinaka-mission and vision ng city government is for the city of Ilagan towards a livable city by the year 2030. So ginagawa po, nag-e-effort po ang local government na maghanap ng iba't ibang kapartners na housing developers po para makapasok and mag-invest dito sa ating lungsod. So salamat, at narito ang Vestor Corporation na tumugon sa panawagan upang itayo ang St. Andres Village na magbibigay ng oportunidad sa ating mga kababayan na magkaroon ng disenteng tahanan para sa kanilang mga pamilya at sa kanilang mga future families.
And its parallelism in Ilagan is that it is where development and the biggest increase in real estate prices are going. Dahil ang development papunta rito. So this is where you should invest.
Kami po sa Barangay Libago, natutuwa in behalf of Mayor kasi talagang gustong-gusto ng ating local chief executive na magkaroon ng mga investor na kagaya nito. So, dahil nga po dito sa Barangay Libago, dito po lahat ang commercial, ang mga government agency. Kaya welcome sa Sir Alex dito po sa Barangay Libago.
Today, as we dedicate this project, this property, first thing that we have to do is that we should recognize that God is the owner of this business.
As of today, I acknowledge that God is the rightful owner of St. Andrews Village in Barangay Alibago, City of Ilagan, Isabela. And we are merely His steward looking after His resources.